How to build a real estate team for beginners? Running a successful real estate business requires a lot of things that should be done at day-to-day intervals. And doing all these things by yourself is not a good move, as you are going to exhaust yourself when handling different matters. The solution to this problem is building a rockstar team that will take your real estate business to the next level. In simple words, building a real estate team of your own will help you manage things easily and efficiently. You might ask how you can build a team. What are the things that you should consider, and from where should you start? Well, don't despair, as in this, we will guide you on how exactly you can build your team, especially if you are a beginner. We will be sharing the 7 best steps that are surely going to help in creating a rockstar real estate team. So, continue watching until the end so you don't miss out on anything. Without wasting time, let's dive in. Number 1 is to establish your business and financials first. Just because you are looking for a team doesn't mean that it's the right time to build a team of your own. The right time is when you fulfill some initial things that justify you having a business with a decent foundation and your business and finances can support a team. Because, being a real estate agent, there are several responsibilities that you have to cater to. It includes spending time finding new leads, meeting clients, property tours, marketing campaigns, etc. These tasks are crucial in a real estate business, and they cannot be skipped. However, when your business starts growing, it becomes difficult to handle all these tasks. In the end, there is a certain point when you will not be able to serve new clients, and you will miss tremendous opportunities to grow in your real estate career. Well, this is a good time to assemble a team, but it doesn't mean that you should go for a team immediately. This is a matter that requires patience and a lot of preparation because handling a team of 5 or 6 people is not an easy task. You have to get ready for it mentally, professionally, and most importantly, financially to manage your team. Unfortunately, there is not an exact formula that tells you this is the best time that you should start a team of your own. It would not be wrong to say that it depends on your preferences as well. If you think you are confident enough, you can start thinking about it. But remember, you should have a business with decent financials that are necessary to support a team. Number 2 is to set up core systems and process. Before you hire a team, make sure you have all the core systems and processes running properly. Because this way, when you hire a team member, you will provide them with a perfect structure so they can start working easily. And you get your things done systematically and get the desired results as soon as possible. You might ask what things you have to do to establish a core system for your business. Well, we will discuss the things that are essential if you want your systems to get in order and have a successful running approach for your business. These are some general things that you can consider, and they are not limited as everyone has their own set of requirements and goals. The first thing is you should understand the vision, goals, and plan of your business and how your team is going to achieve them. Make sure you and your team have the right qualities for your business and have a comprehensive plan. Before hiring a team, make sure you have the right tools and productivity software. It includes how you are going to maintain and grow your client base and what is your follow-up system, and the software to manage contacts. Also, make sure you have a transaction management system to process all real estate transactions. Another important thing to consider in this step is to make your presence on the internet and draw a content marketing strategy so you can market and grow your business. Furthermore, keep in mind that, as a team leader, you also get the role of a manager. It implies that your team will be looking for your guidance so they can work and process in the right direction. And if you don't get all these things in order before you start building your team, not only your business, but your team will also suffer unavoidable slowdowns in daily operations. Number 3 is making a plan for hiring and the expansion of your business. When it comes to hiring, you must consider the right person for the right position. Because if a person has a license and shows eagerness, that does not imply that he or she will be the best for your team. And if you end up hiring the wrong person, it will cost you both time and money and cause more problems in your business. So, it is highly recommended that before hiring, you should have a perfect plan and outline the requirements that you are looking for in a team member. In short, don't just go for people. Instead, get people who have a purpose. Start thinking about your requirements and what type of team member can help your business to grow more. Like you need an administrative assistant or a sales agent. See which area your business is lacking and get a person with the right portfolio in their respective niche. The benefit you will get with the right hiring is the successful team members bring their perspective with their abilities and knowledge, and their previous work experience in other businesses makes them more confident and well-rounded people. A quick reminder, if you've enjoyed the video so far, consider subscribing, as we frequently upload such informative and educational videos. Let's continue. Number 4 is hiring an admin assistant. Well, there is a substantial disagreement between real estate professionals about which team member you should hire first, because some would say you should hire a buyer's agent because they bring commission. However, hiring an assistant to handle the administrative measures can be a wise move. If you hire an assistant first, they can assure that the system or operations of the business are running properly, and they will also make sure that they set things for the arrival of new agents. They will also assist you in handling the continued contracts from their initial draft to the final closure. Another great thing that you can do if you don't want to hire an admin assistant, you can go for a virtual assistant. They can be pretty much the same, and it can be more economical on your finances. If you are a virtual assistant from another country, there is a high chance you get unbeatable prices courtesy of the exchange rates. Number 5 is appointing a buyer's agent. After things get on track, and with an assistant helping you out, you get more time for generating more leads. So, when you get enough leads, then it's the time you should go for hiring a buyer's agent. Well, by hiring a buyer's agent, you do not have to worry about lead conversion, dealing with buyers, making offers, showing properties, and prospecting for buyer and seller leads. Hiring a rookie real estate agent can be more enticing, who is ready to accept a lower commission split, and you can guide them to work according to your expectations. But it is highly recommended to have an experienced and a professional real estate agent on your team, because they can start delivering right away with their expertise, and they can also understand your requirements quickly. Moreover, it is also the approach of successful teams to go for experienced team members, as they are also beneficial for attracting new and talented team members to your team. Number 6 is bringing a sales agent and a listing agent to your team. Well, a sales agent is another crucial team member in real estate. As you and the buyer's agent will be closing deals, you will not be available to manage time for answering calls, prospects, and following up with the new leads. This is where you have to bring in a sales agent, and they will handle prospecting new leads by contacting old clients or other people inside your sphere of influence. A sales agent will not only be responsible for nurturing, but also following up on the leads, and they help in converting them into scheduled appointments. On the other hand, hiring a listing agent will help you with listings. The listing agent will be involved in managing the listing that you cannot manage. They will also add more listings to your business inventory. Moreover, the listing agent can also be helpful for marketing responsibilities, like open houses and prospecting responsibilities. Number 7 is measuring and keeping track of KPIs. This is the most important thing that you should consider when you build a real estate team. Keeping track of key performance indicators and KPIs lets you measure the performance of your business in every aspect. It allows you to know about the strengths and weaknesses of your business and specifies the areas you are lacking. Not just that, these metrics also inform you whether or not you require a new team member and also assist you in understanding the trajectory of your team and whether you are reaching your goals or not. The essential KPIs that you should track are ROIs or return on investment, average rent price per property, loan to value or LTV ratio, equity to value ratio, average mortgage rate, operating expense ratio, tenant turnover, payback period. By following these steps, you can build a rockstar real estate team and can boost the profit of your business. You can delegate tasks to your team members and can meet your desired goals, as it is a great and smart way to grow. But even if you follow the right steps and stick to them, you also have to monitor, as you are the team leader, because it is necessary to supervise things if you want to stay on top of your business.